So they're saying you have to do it online.
Oh.
Yeah, there's 2 entry fees and a parking fee.
What the hell?
Yeah.
You have to do it online, you said?
Yeah.
Apparently so.
Yeah, apparently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The payment's not working for anybody's card, so online's like the only way to do it.
Does it take cash?
It wasn't taking anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like we're
Yep.
chilling for free today. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bobby and I got into Maui yesterday. So we ended up going from Oahu to Maui. It's kind of a last minute thing. We booked the whole trip yesterday. And then we picked up this badass Miata while we were out here as well. It is 5-speed. She's a ripper. We got a little surfboard rack on the back of it. And yeah, it's been a ripper so far. Slightly rusted out, but I'd rate her about an 8 out of 10 condition for the year. She's a beaut. We just got to our first beach of the day, which is Big Beach. Or I think it's called something else, but Big Beach is like the unofficial name for it. So there's Big Beach, which is huge, and then if you go across the rock, there's a little beach, which is the nude beach. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. It's freaking hot. Let's go rip. Okay, so
wait, hold on.
We ripped up the mountain to Haleakala to this sick spot. And I must say, the Miata was a ripper. But check this out.
Look at it this way. Go over here.
This way better?
No, it's not better, but it's just really cool looking.
Holy, that is insane. It's like we're on Mars.
I know.
Here. Hold my camera while I pee in the distance. Wait, I want to pee off the ledge. What if I fell? Did you pee in peace?
Yes, I did. Come on, baby.
I want to see how far I can throw a rock. And you know what, one time?
I don't know.
Did you pee over here?
No.
Watch this.
There's my potty spot right there.
I think I hit a mountain goat. Oh, she's a squirty bitch. Shotgun claws on the reg. What flavor you got? That big enough hole for you? Hello guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. We're starting out with a shoddy. There you go, Bob. Ready?
Wait.
Cheers.
Wait, hold on, I get nervous.
1, 2, 3, let's go. Holy shit.
I can't do it all.
That fills you up real quick. Woofty! Don't shotgun a seltzer. Not very fun. You good?
I think I'm drunk already. Ugh.
Today we're ripping the road to Hana. We got Bob driving the Miata right now and I'm hanging out the window with the gimbal. This is kind of fun. All right, our first stop of the day. I have no clue what this is, but there's 1,000 people here, so it's gotta be good. You wanna go first?
Follow you.
Okay. Holy cow. I think there's a river down here. There's a little pool right down there. Wanna go rip that pool? We'd have to hike down and walk up.
I want to go that way.
We found the sickest spot on the island. We're gonna rip the GoPro and go hiking. Ready? Sick update. No way. That is insane. It's such a deep pool.
I know.
You wanna get down here?
Let's go the other side. How chilly is it?
Perfect.
Oh, it's chilly. Devin's such a bad influence.
Quick little pit stop.
What if it explodes everywhere?
You should know what you're doing. Cheers.
Wait, not really.
If you hold it up like this, you won't spill it. Have you know the proper way? So hold it like this, and then put your mouth on it. Mm? 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 You have to finish it. Good? What's going on? You can burp, you know.
I don't got to.
I do at my other gig is a photographer, like jet ski, the wakeboard or the hoverboard.
Straight?
No. Did I win?
Yeah, you beat me. Should we get some food? You drunk?
I think so.
Bend your knees, you just go forward.
So Bobby and I just went on like a 2-mile hike to a 400-foot waterfall, and at the very end there's this dude saying, or like a, what would you call it, a park ranger, saying that we can't go into the pool at the bottom of the waterfall. So I drank a beer. Kind of fun. Now we're going back down, and Bobby broke her shoes or something.
No, I didn't break them.
Well, Bobby doesn't have shoes, so now we're trekking. You doing all right? You need a beer?
No, I'm good.
Here, I got a soggy beer for you.
I think I'll pass.
But this place is pretty sick, I must admit. Would not recommend just because it's so long and you don't have there's no end result, no reward at the end, unless you bring a brew.
And we were like expecting to jump in the water and cool off.
Yeah, for like 3 hours. But the hike up is pretty sick. We went for a little wheel-on trip in the Miata. She's doing all right. Look at this view though. Sheesh. So this is if you go past like the road to Hana, and if you keep going and going and going, where they tell you not to go, this is where you end up. This is insane. Uh-oh. We can't stop. We have to do a burnout. Hey Bobby, should we build the Miata?
Yes.
You want to build a Miata? Mm-hmm. Do you dig the Miata?
Mm-hmm. Close your eyes.
Why?
So I can sunblock you. Your nosy is so red, baby.
Ow! It stings!
Okay, let
Holy
me see
shit,
the
that
top of your
actually really
head.
fucking hurts.
Come back.
Get out of here! You literally hurt
I
me.
need your head.
You hurt me. You hurt me.
Put your head down.
Bobby, no.
Baby, I'm promising you. This is... Okay, put your head down. You're gonna bonk it on the thing. Good job. Was that bad?
Yes.
Okay, I need to go poop. That doesn't go in the vlog, obviously.
Over the last few days, we've been whipping the Miata, and not gonna lie, I've been really enjoying the car. I'm not sure if Bobby likes it or not, kind of getting sus vibes from Bobby, but having a little ripper like that, like a little two-door, even better than a Miata, an S2000, that would be so sick to build. So I'm really highly considering picking one of those things up, because I feel like a Miata you can get for so cheap, and then I bet parts are really, really cheap for those cars as well. So it's got me thinking. But I haven't showed you guys our apartment yet. We're gonna be here for a while. Bobby and I's 5-year anniversary is coming up. So this is what we got for now. We are actually out of here tonight and we're going to a different place tomorrow that's closer to the beach. But here's the kitchen, messy living room, bathroom, and our bedroom. We're gonna take a quick rip down to the pool this morning. We haven't been in the pool at all, and we've been here for like 4 nights now. So let's go for a rip in the pool. The ocean's that way. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're moving from here over closer to the ocean.
What the frick?
Does it not work? We got hose on this deal.
Fake.
Come on.
Oh, I almost got it. I feel it.
What the hell kind of gay is this? Push harder, Bobby. Kick it. You just gotta know how to use the key to unlock the lock.
Yeah.
Ah. Sick moves, Bobby.
Well, I wasn't ready.
Okay,
Watch this.
go again.
What did you think?
That was really good.
That was my best one yet.
Yes.
And it was all for you.